Big wave surfing is like one of the most dangerous sports in the world.
No matter how much skill and training you really do have, things can always go wrong.
Red Bull Magnitude, it is the only all-female contest. Competitors travel from all over the world for the season's biggest waves on Oahu and Maui.
It's not just one day, one event at one spot.
Big wave surfing is such a roller coaster of emotions. You have like the highest highs and the lowest of lows.
It's just this force that draws you and you can't get away from it.
This is what really makes my heart sing, so that's why I want to do it.